Welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to upload a short video on YouTube. Let's start. At first you have to open the YouTube app, log into your account. After that you guys can find out the plus icon, tap on here, and then you guys can see create a short. Tap on here, then you can record a video by tapping on here. After that you can also upload a video by tapping on here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and edit the video or crop the video from where you want to start and from where you want to end it. Then tap on done. After that you can also record the video. Then you can tap on flip, and also you can tap on here to adjust the speed, and also you can tap on here to start a timer. Then you can tap on the effects to add an effect, and after that you can tap on here to make a background. Then tap on here. You guys can find out a lot of options. You can also use them. Now tap on here, and after that tap on the check mark. Then you can edit the video. You can add a sound by tapping on here, and then you can tap on here to search the sounds, or you can select from the suggestion. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and then tap on here. After that you can add some text by tapping on here. For example, I'm gonna tap that and then tap on here to add a color to your text. Then you can add filters by tapping on here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one and then tap on next, and in here you can write a caption. For example, I'm gonna type that, and then you can also select the visibility by tapping on here, like who can watch this short video. If you want to make it private, then make it private, or if you want to make it public, then tap on public. If you want to tap on unlisted, then you guys can also do it. And if you tap on schedule, then you can make a schedule by tapping on here of your own, then select them, and then you guys can also select that time, like when it is going to upload it on YouTube. After that go back, and in here you can add the locations. You can also select audience, like if it is meant for kids or not. You can also add age restrictions. Let's go back, and after that tap on comments, like you can allow comments for all or hold comments for review, and you guys can also tap on disable comments, and after that tap on upload a short. As you guys can see, this video is right now uploading on my YouTube account, and here tap on the library. After that tap on your videos, and in here you guys can find out the short video that you have uploaded on YouTube. In that way you guys can also upload short videos on YouTube. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day to the videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.